YouTube, what's good, y'all? You know, I try to apologize. Sorry for being, I haven't been active lately, but you know, I feel like it's worth it, low key. But yeah, I just been up to a lot of stuff, working, trying to get this money, I guess. But hey, this video gonna be a banger, no lie. Stay tuned. I got something for you guys. I think you guys are gonna like it. Hope you guys have been great. Hope you guys doing good, staying blessed. Yeah, just stay tuned. You know, this is an exciting video. I like this video. Yeah, that's it. Catch you guys later. Yes, sir.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut.